Hello everyone and welcome to my messy room. It is finally time for me to do an updated how to clean your room 2019. And you may be thinking, Brittany, I already know how to clean my room. How hard could it be? Probably true, but you know what? It's always nice to see somebody else's methods. Maybe you will get some ideas and inspiration and motivation for cleaning your room. We also have a special segment on how to clean your mattress and your bedding. This video is very kindly sponsored by LG, so big thank you to them. And with all of that said, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we've moved to the trashier area of my room to get started on step one, which is to do a trash and clutter sweep. So I have my trash bag and then also my clutter bin. So basically anything in this room that doesn't belong here, we need to remove. For the clutter bin, this would be like some of Carter's toys that are in here, miscellaneous junk, like why is this in here? This is fun. I found a toy of Carter's that he had when he was about 5 or 6 months old, and I'm pretty sure he peed on at one point. We're just gonna ignore that. I believe you could tell a lot about a person based on the trash they have on their nightstand, so let's take a peek, shall we? So what my trash over here tells you is that I'm a late night snacker. You also want to open and check your drawers for any trash or junk. Keep a handle on it because that could get out of control. Step two is to collect all of the laundry that needs to be done and remove your bedding to wash. And I like to have my laundry going while I'm cleaning my room to be most efficient. So I run down to the laundry room to get this going, and you may have seen that I recently did a laundry room makeover with LG, and I now have the ultimate laundry room, and I could not be happier. So because cold and flu season is coming up, you want to wash your sheets weekly and use the hottest water cycle option listed on your sheet's care label tag to help prevent the spread of germs. My LG washer, this is the WM3900, has a sanitized cycle that reduces 99% of bacteria on laundry using high temperature. So that is so convenient. And I also want to note that this washing machine is the #1 top rated washer on Consumer Reports. Now for my comforter, I use the bedding cycle, and this is designed for king or queen size comforters. And because this is an ultra large capacity washer, my king comforter fits in here easily. So I get this going, and with my smart features, I'll get an alert on my phone when my wash is ready to be moved to the dryer. And I cannot tell you how helpful this is. It just helps keep the process moving and maximize time. Now I also use my LG styler to clean and sanitize my pillows. So I put my pillows in here and I use the bedding setting, and it will steam, sanitize, and plump them back up. So this is also great to use for your quilts, for your delicate bedding, and even for your kids' stuffed animals. I put Carter's stuffed animals in here weekly to sanitize them. So the sanitary cycle on this uses true steam to destroy bacteria and other microorganisms without damaging your clothing or any of the fabrics. I am so paranoid about cold and flu season coming up since we got hit so hard last year. So I'm being especially diligent this year. My LG appliances just make this so easy and efficient, and I will have the links down below if you want to learn more about these. Now my next special segment is on how to clean your mattress, because my dog recently had a little accident on the foot of the bed, so I needed to clean this anyway. So the first thing you want to do is vacuum it. This is going to remove any mites, dust, dead skin, hair, or other debris from the mattress. So this step is very important. Next is to address any stains or spills. So combine 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide and 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap. Mix that together and then use a toothbrush or a small brush to brush that into the stain, and then take a damp cloth and dab the stain. If there are any urine stains on the bed, you want to use an enzyme cleaner. The next step is to sprinkle baking soda all over your mattress. I do a little trick and I put about 10 drops of lavender essential oil into the baking soda, and I sprinkle that on the mattress. So it's going to clean, deodorize it, and also give it a nice fresh scent from the essential oils. You want to let that sit and penetrate for about 20 to 30 minutes. and then vacuum the mattress again. At this point, you want to flip your mattress. I'm not able to do this because Ryan isn't home and there is no way that I can do this on my own. And then if you don't already have one, you want to apply a mattress protector. It will just help protect it from spills, dust, dirt, stains. So every mattress should have a mattress protector on it. Step 3 is to dust, and it's best to dust from top to bottom because if any of the dust falls on the floor, you can vacuum that up later. I use an extendable duster so I can reach up high into the corners and get any cobwebs. You want to dust off your curtains because they can tend to collect a lot of dust. Your shades or shutters, you want to get both sides of those. Don't forget to dust your fake plants and flowers. These guys get super dusty and it's a dead giveaway that they're fake. I also like to make sure to dust my lampshades on the inside and outside. I even dust behind my headboard just because if there's any spiders back there, we want to wake them up. Is that going to anger them? Step 4 is to wipe everything down. So I'm using my DIY all-purpose cleaner and I'm wiping down the nightstand and everything on the nightstand. Sometimes I'll have little water rings on here. I wipe down my large mirror. When you're cleaning mirrors, you want to go in an S-shaped pattern, like so. And I want to say this is the one area where I do use a regular cleaner. I cannot find a DIY or natural cleaner that will get my mirror totally spotless and streak free. So if you have any that you know of, leave them down in the comments because I feel like I've tried everything. When you're cleaning any electronics, you want to spray your solution onto your cloth and then onto the item. Don't directly spray, otherwise you could damage your electronics. Step 5 is to put everything away. By this time, my laundry's all done, and then I put all of my bedding back on. My favorite bedding hack, find the tag on the inside of your sheets, and that's gonna go in the bottom right corner of your bed. And the same trick applies with your non-fitted sheet. Find the tag. So my little secret for how I like to arrange pillows on the bed. You put a set of pillows on the bottom and then you put your decorative pillows in the back on top of those because it gives them some nice height. Okay, so then I put another set of pillows here. Then we take these big guys. They smell so fresh. They're nice and fluffy from the styler. You guys probably know by now, I always sleep with my beauty pillow, so she has to be right here. So this is my pillow arrangement that I'm really liking at the moment. My biggest life-changing tip for making the bed is I switched from a duvet cover to this regular comforter. I just used to dread so much having to remove the duvet, wash it, and put it back on. It was such a big chore. But this comforter, I could just pop it in the wash, clean it, put it back on. It is so much easier to manage. And the last step, step number 6, are the floors. So I will vacuum the room, and I recently switched over to the LG Cord Zero A9 vacuum, and I cannot tell you how much I love this thing. It is incredible, has amazing suction power. The battery lasts forever, and it even comes with an extra rechargeable battery so you can switch it out. So everything on this vacuum can be controlled one touch using your thumb, and it's very easy on my wrist. This vacuum's filtration system is extremely powerful. It filters out 99.99% of dirt and dust, and it has removable and washable filters to extend their life. I really like that you can either mount it on your wall or it comes with a portable charger that you can move around. So overall, I have to say this is a major upgrade from my previous cord-free vacuum that kept breaking on me, no joke, like every month. I know this is kind of gross, but I just need to point out I had just cleaned this out before I started. I vacuumed in this room a week ago, and this is how much it was able to pick up. Almost all of that in there looks like dirt and dog fur. And the very last thing is I will mop. A little trick for mopping is you want to mop your way out the door. So start in the farthest corner of the room and then mop your way out. So once you're done, you can leave the room. You don't have to step over a freshly mopped floor. and I just use my little wet jet mop. I like this, but I don't love it. I don't feel like it really gets a deep clean. So if you guys do have a mop that you swear by or recommend, let me know in the comments. I can't use a steam mop because I have the hardwood floors and it voids their warranties. But if there's any other random mop that you like out there, let me know in the comments. So that is it, my very easy 6-step method for cleaning your room. I hope this has given you some ideas and tips and motivation for cleaning your room. And in case you missed it, I recently did a video on bedroom organization. There's over 25 different ideas, so make sure to watch that. I will have the card here on the screen, so you can click to watch that next. With all that said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I will see you soon with a new video.